each exterior angle in this question is given to be 72 degree, right? What is the relation between exterior angle and number of sides of the polygon? Formula number 4. If you remember, each exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by number of sides, n, right?
And
Put the value, each exterior angle is given to be how much? 72 is equal to 360 divided by n. Yes, anyone asking any question?
no, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, multiply now.
No, sir.
Cross multiply, you get 72n is equal to 360. That means you get n is equal to 360 divided by 72. Now you can cancel this. Cancel this 12. 12 into 6 will give you 72
Sir, 5 is
and
the answer.
30. So now you can cancel this with 6, so 5. So how many sides? 5 sides.
5.
Okay. So as simple as this. Okay. Let us do number 6. 6, let's say 6 part 3. If you read the question, it states find the number of sides in a polygon if the sum of its interior angles is 1260. Okay. Now, what is the number of what is the sum of the sides of a polygon? Not 1200. We are doing this, right? Yes, 3440. Okay. Sum of interior angle is given to be how much?
3420.
Is equal to 3420 degree. Now, what do you know? What is the formula of a sum of interior angles of a polygon? 2n minus 4 into 90, right? 2n minus 4 into 90 must be equal to 3420. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So now we can solve for n. This is a simple equation. How do we solve this equation? First of all, divide both sides by 90. 2n minus 4 is equal to 3420 divided by 90. Okay, this is the best way of solving. Or what you can do is you can also multiply with 90, 2n into 90 minus 4 into 90, and then you can solve. You can do that way also. This is a better way of doing. So you divide both sides by 90. This 0 cancels. Now will 342 cancel with 9? Even
Yes,
if
sir, by
not,
adding this.
then it will cancel with 3 at least. Let's cancel 3. 3 1, 3 1, 3 4. Right? Next 3 3 and 3 8. Okay, 38 times it cancels. So I get 2n minus 4 is equal to 38. That means 2n minus 2n is equal to 38 plus 4. That means 2n is equal to 42. That means n is equal to 42 by 2. That means n is equal to 21. So how many sides does the polygon have? It has 21 sides. Okay, it is possible. A polygon can have more than 10 sides. It can have 100 sides also, no problem. Clear with this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's do number 5. Let's do number 5, 5 part 1. Simple one. I'd keep the other parts for you, the tough ones. 5 part 1. Find the number of sides of a regular. I always solve the tough ones, right? So let me have some good time here. One easy sum. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon if each of its interior angle is 90 degree. Okay, so each interior angle is given to be 90 degree, right? So if each interior angle is 90 degree, what will be each exterior angle? You know that each interior angle plus each exterior angle is equal to how much? If you remember from formula number 3, interior and exterior angles are on angle on the same straight line, right? So their sum must
Yes,
be
sir.
equal to 180 degree. From formula number 3. So each interior angle is 90. plus each exterior angle is equal to 180. Therefore, how much is each exterior angle? 180 minus 90. So each exterior angle is equal to 90 degree. And what is the relation between exterior angle and number of sides? You remember formula number 4?
Sir,
Number of
360
sides,
by
right?
n.
How much is each exterior angle we have got? 90. Put 90. Cross multiply. Okay. So I get 4 sides. What kind of a polygon is it? If it has 4 sides?
The parallelogram. Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral. It is a quadrilateral. Remember, tri means 3. So triangle has 3 sides. Quad means 4. Okay. Means 4 sides. Penta means
Sir, can't
5.
it be,
Yes.
sir, can't it be square or parallelogram?
They are special quadrilaterals. But all are quadrilaterals. Square has 4 sides. It is a quadrilateral. Rectangle has 4 sides. So that is also a quadrilateral. Parallelogram has 4 sides. So that is also a quadrilateral. Understood?
Yeah, sir.
Let's look at the next one. Number 8. Question states the angles of a pentagon. Pentagon means, I just told you, penta means 5. Hexa means 6. Hepta means 7. Okay. These are English words you can remember. Hepta means 7. Octa means 8. You have heard about octopus? Octopus you have heard?
Yes, sir.
How many
Sir,
how many tentacles does an octopus have? It has 8 tentacles.
8.
That is why
okay, sir.
it is called octopus. Okay, because octa means 8. Nonagon, nonagon means 9. Nona means 9. Deca
Yes,
means
sir.
10. Okay, just remember these. Then it will be easier for you to remember the names. Next, number 8. The angles of a pentagon are. Pentagon means there are 5 sides. So number of sides in a pentagon? Is equal to 5. So let's say n is equal to 5. Okay. Now the angles are x degree, x minus 10 degree, x plus 20 degree, 2x minus 44 degree, 2x minus 70 degree. All the 5 angles are given to you. But here they are given to you in terms of x. Let's draw the pentagon to have a clearer picture, because pentagon is easy to draw. We'll draw a pentagon. Okay. Let's draw it this way so that it does not look like a 90 degree. Okay, this is a pentagon.
So can a 90 degree, like I said, we have made our first triangle and then we have made it a square, then it will become a house. Then can we call it as a pentagon?
Yes. You mean this way. You mean this way, right? This way. Who was asking? This is a pentagon
Okay, sir.
because it has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a pentagon. Okay. Coming back to this. This is a pentagon ABCD. What are the angles given here? The angles given here, this is given to be x degree. Okay. Next, x minus 10. This angle is given to be x plus 20. Is it a regular pentagon? Can anyone tell me?
No, sir.
No,
So
because all
not
the angles are different. 2x minus 44. And the fifth angle is given to be 2x minus 70. All these angles are given to you. Fine. So first of all, we'll find out sum of interior angles of a pentagon. Sum of interior angles of a pentagon is equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 is equal to, put the value of n, 10 minus 4 into 90, which is equal to 6 into 90, which is 540 degrees is the sum. Now in the figure, if you see what is the sum of interior angles? In the figure, x plus x minus 10 plus x plus 20 plus 2x minus 44 plus 2x minus 70, right? This is the sum of interior angles. Open the brackets.
yes, sir.
Now simplify this. How many x's are there? You have x, x, 2x, 3x. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So 7x.
7x.
How many positive numbers are there? No positive, all are negative. Minus 10, minus 20, minus 44, and minus 70. If you add them, how much do you get?
So minus 140.
Sir, there is plus 20
Plus
in the
20.
first line.
Okay, this is
Yes,
plus
sir.
20. Okay, this one is plus
Yes,
20.
it plus 20.
Okay, this is plus 20. So there's only one. So let's write this as plus 20. And the negative numbers are minus 10, minus 44, and minus 70. So how much do they add up to? 70 and 54.
Sir,
Will be
124.
124.
Yes, sir.
So this is 7x minus 104, right? Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
sum of interior angle is 540. Here sum of interior angle is 7x minus 104. So according to the problem, these two must be equal. 7x minus 104 must be equal to 540. So now find out the value of x from here. 540 plus 104. So 7x is equal to 644. Means x is equal to 644 divided by 7. Means x is equal
So
to,
92.
yes,
92.
you're getting x is equal to 92. So what are the angles of the pentagon?
So
What
we
are the
will
angles?
put
How much is
for
this angle? Let's say angle A. How much is angle A? Angle A is
92.
x equal to 92. Next angle B. How much was angle B we had taken? X minus 10.
X minus
92 minus 10. 82
minus
degree. Angle C. How much is angle C in the figure? X plus 20. So 92 plus 20 equal to 112 degree. Angle D. Angle D is how much? 2x minus 44. 2 into 92 minus 44, which is equal to 184 minus 44, which is equal to 140. And the last one, angle E. Angle E is how much? 2x minus 70, right? So this is 184 minus 70. 114 degree. Clear with everyone? This problem?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So we
sir.
have found out here you only needed to calculate x. So you could have left your answer here only. Okay, x is equal to 92. Otherwise, if they asked you calculate the angles of the polygon, then you can calculate all this. Here they only asked you to calculate the value of x. Okay, that's it. So next question. Okay, next question is number 9. The exterior angles of a pentagon are in the ratio 1 is to 4, 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4 is to 5. Exterior angles, remember, not the interior angles. What do you mean by exterior angle of a pentagon? Produce this side, produce this side, produce this side, and this side.
Sir, can you explain angle D in above?
What, repeat your question?
Sir, angle D, how did you do it?
Angle D.
Which number I found? Yes, sir, above, in above, number 8.
I've already erased number 8.
Oh, okay, sir.
We'll produce this. Okay, so which one are the exterior angles? This is an exterior angle called exterior angle B. This is the exterior angle A. This is the exterior angle E. This is the exterior angle D. And this is the exterior angle C. Okay, now let's see. The exterior angles of a pentagon are in the ratio 1 is to 3, 2 is to 3 is to 4 is to 5. Find all the interior angles of the pentagon. Now, if the ratio of the angles are given, exterior angles, then what can I take the angles? Let the exterior angles of the pentagon be. If the ratio is given, then I can take x, 2x, 3x, 4x, and 5x. Can I take it this way or not? If the ratio is given,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
so I can
Yes,
take the
sir.
angles as x, 2x, 3x, 4x, and 5x. So let's say this one is x, this is 2x, this is 3x, 4x, and this is 5x. Okay. Find all the interior angles of the pentagon. You need to find all the interior angles of the pentagon. Now, what is the sum of the interior and the exterior angle? It is equal
Sir,
to
180.
180 degree, right?
180.
And what is the relation between number of sides and the exterior angle of a pentagon? What is the relation between number of side and exterior angle of a pentagon? But then that is the case of first question is this a regular pentagon? This is not a regular pentagon, right?
No, sir.
Because all the exterior angles are not equal, right? So therefore you cannot apply the formula exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. Okay. So if what is the sum of, let's first calculate the sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles of a pentagon. Is equal to 2n minus 4 into 90. How many sides are there? 5 sides. 10 minus 4 into 90. 6 into 90, which is 540 degree. The sum of interior angle is 540. Now what will be the each of the exterior angle? If this angle is x, what will be this interior angle? 180 minus x, right? What will be this exterior angle? 180 minus 2x, isn't it? This one, 180 minus 3x. All of you agree?
Yes.
This will be 180 minus 4x. And this will be 180 minus 5x, right? So you can write the interior angles of the pentagon are 180 minus x, 180 minus 2x, 180 minus 3x, 180 minus 4x, and 180 minus 5x. So what is the sum of interior angles here? One 180 minus x plus 180 minus 2x plus 180 minus 3x plus 180 minus 4x plus 180 minus 5x, right? So this is, if you take the 180s together, 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180, 5 times, minus, here you have minus x, minus 2x, minus 3x, minus 4x, minus 5x. What is the total? 15. All if you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
180 added 5 times. How much will you get? 900, right?
900.
Minus 15x. This is the sum of interior angles. So according to a problem, what do you have? What is the sum of interior angles of a pentagon? 540.
540.
So 900 minus 15x must be equal to 540. Now this is a simple equation, linear equation. You can solve this. Take 540 on the other side, 900 minus 540, and take 15x on the other side. So how much do you get? 900 minus 540? 260 is equal to 15x or 360. 360.
Sir,
Tell me.
Sir,
sir, instead of taking 15x in the right side,
Hmm.
can't we take 900 to the right side?
Yes, same thing. Let's do it that way.
Because sir, you told that always try to have the variable part in the left side.
Yes, okay, let's do it that way. Minus 360, right? So x is equal to minus 360 by minus 15. Now is it okay?
yes, sir.
Now minus will cancel. 15 2 and 15 4, I think. So this will be equal to 24. So value of x you have got. So what are the interior angles? Therefore, the interior angles are, first interior angle is 180 minus x, right? What was the next one? 180 minus 2x. Next one was 180 minus 3x. Then 180 minus 4x. Then 180 minus 5x. Right? Which is equal to, put the value of x, 180 minus 24. Next 180 minus 2 into 24. 180 minus 3 into 24. Next 180 minus 4 into 24. And finally 180 minus 5 into 24. One 180 minus 24 is how much?
156.
Sir, 154.
156 degree.
No,
This is your
156.
first answer.
156.
180 minus 48
132.
is 132. Next,
So
180 minus
108.
72,
108.
108. Next 180 minus 96.
86.
And finally 180 minus 110.
60. So why 110, sir?
Sir, 70.
Oh, okay.
Sir, it will be
24 into
Sir,
5 is
70.
24 into 5 is 120. So 180 minus 120 is 60. Okay. So these are the interior
yes.
angles. Okay. This is how you work out. It's okay. Can you move on to the next sum? Can you move on to the next sum?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Let's work out number 14 then. You can work out all the in-between sums on your own. All are very easy. I have done many types of similar problems. Okay. Number 14.
So you write with the mouse or touchpad, sir?
It's a pen, a digital pen. Okay. A heptagon has 3 equal sides, each of 120 degree. Heptagon means what? How many sides does the heptagon have?
Sir, 12.
Sir,
Hepta,
7.
Sir,
7.
7.
Hepta means 7.
7.
Oh, 7.
Number of
Sorry, sir,
sides
sorry.
of a heptagon, n is equal to 7. Okay. Now read the question. A heptagon has 3 equal angles, each of 120 degree. So how many angles, the interior angle does the heptagon have? 7 interior angles it has. And 3 of them, what is the measure of 3 of them? 3 of them are 120 degree. And 4 equal angles. Okay, so 3 of them are 120 degree and all 4 are also equal. They are of some other measure, which they have not given. Find the size of each of the, find the size of the equal angles. Okay, so 3 equal angles equal to 3 equal angles is equal to 120 degree each, right? The sum of these 3 equal angles, sum of the 3 equal angles is equal to how many? 120 plus 120 plus 120, right? Or 120 into 3 also. It is equal to 360 degree, right? Now, 3 angles have already been taken care of. How many remaining angles? 4 remaining angles. And all 4 remaining angles are equal. So I say, let the measure of each of the 4 remaining angles be x. So what is the sum of the 4 remaining angles? X plus x plus x plus x equal to 4x.
4x.
So what is the sum of the interior angles here? Sum of the 3 angles plus sum of the 4 angles, right?
Yes, sir.
4x, sum of the 4 angles, and you have sum of the 3 angles. So you've got sum of the interior angles. Also, from formula, what is the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon, of a heptagon?
So by 540, sir.
2n minus 4 into 90, heptagon. Sum of interior
Oh, sorry.
angles of a heptagon is equal to 2n minus 4 into 90. Put n is equal to 7. 2 into 7 minus 4 into 90, which is equal to 14 minus 4 into 90,
Sir,
which is
900.
equal to, yes, 10 into 90, which is equal to 900 degree.
900, sir.
So 900 degree is the sum here. And what is the sum here? 4x plus 360. So they must be equal. (900 minus 360). How much is 900 minus 360?
540
Sir,
degrees.
540.
540.
Five.
Therefore, x is 540 by 4.
135.
135. So x we have got as 135. And what was the question here? Find the size of equal angles. What is the size of equal angles?
For all the 4 remaining angles.
Not all
for
the 4.
135
What is the sign of each equal angle? X, right? So we had to find out x. What is the value of x? 135 degree. The size of each equal angle is equal to x is equal to 135 degree. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So I will not move any further now for today. I'll stop here.